there are two ways if you want to edit the cell content. The first one we have is overwriting, and the second one we have is modifying partially. So if you want to overwrite the data, you should at least understand the concept of overwriting. Overwriting means you already have some data and you want to replace 1% data and you want to enter the new value. Suppose I have a data of LIBA, but I think the LIBA data is not right here. So what I will do, I'll just delete the values of a LIBA and I'll enter the someone else data here, right? So suppose if I am writing any other data, what I will do, I'll click that the cell or the row where you want to delete the data, and I'll start writing the new person data here. So that we call it overwriting. When you're performing a overwriting, what you will do, you will just click on your cell, you will press delete key from your keyboard and you will start typing it from your keyboard, and obviously it will give you some new data. So this is the easiest way how you can enter cell data or how you can overwrite the data. So the other thing we have is modifying partially. We have three ways how we can modify our data. The first one we have is a very simple one. What you will do, you will just click here, and you are going to change the few characters. Suppose I have Zainab, and let's suppose I just wrote Zainab spelling wrong. So what I will do, I'll click Zainab where I need to modify one character. I'll put my cursor there and I'll start typing. So I'll correct the spelling of Zainab here. The second thing we have is how you can modify partially. When you're going to modify partially, you want to only change a few characters in a cell content rather than the entire content of a cell. So do remember that where you think there is any mistake, you're going to just click there and you are going to just edit few of the data, not all of. You're not going to remove the data properly. Okay, so there are three ways to do modifying partially. The first one I have just showed you that you will just double click the cell, and आपने क्या करना है कि आपने फिर उसके बाद डबल क्लिक करें अपने सेल पे जहाँ पे भी आपको एडिट करना पड़ता है. You are just going to write down the data. The second thing we have is select the cell. First you are going to select the cell and you are going to press F2 from your keyboard. आपने जब F2 प्रेस करेंगे तो your cell will give you a chance that you can edit it, and you're going to obviously start typing it. Like suppose the name was not Zainab, the name was Zan. So what you will do, you will remove that AB from the Zainab and you're going to write down N here. So your name will be modified. The last option we have is how we can modify is select the formula bar. What you will do, you will click your cell. Let's suppose I'm going to change the name of Hassan. It's Hassan, it's not Hassan. So what I will do, or maybe it's Hassan. What I will do, I'll click this cell, I'll go to the formula bar. Before moving to the formula bar, you should know the concept whenever we are going to write down anything in our cell. Suppose I'll choose any other cell. So what you will see, whatever you're going to write down in any cell, it will also appear or visible in your formula bar. आप जब भी अपने सेल के अंदर कुछ भी लिख रहे होते हो वो आपके फॉर्मूला बार में नज़र आ रहा होता है. तो येस, इफ़ यू विल क्लिक ऑन योर सेल एंड यू विल स्टार्ट टाइपिंग इन योर फार्मूला बार, सो वो आपकी वैल्यू चेंज कर देगा. आई वॉन्ट टू चेंज द नेम. हसन को मैं हसान करना चाह रही हूँ, तो आई पुट डबल ए हेयर एंड I'll press enter, so my name will be changed and it will be automatically modified. So these are the two ways how we can select the or how we can edit cell content in Excel 2013. The first way we have seen is using overwriting, and the second one we have seen is partial modification. The overwriting have only one method, that what you will do, you will just click your cell from where you want to remove the data and you will press delete key. And the partial modification, we have three ways obviously. The first one is double click the cell or enter the value in the cell, and the second one is select the cell and press F2 and you can edit it, and the third one we have is select the cell and click on the formula bar to edit your value. Thank you so much for watching.